Start by breaking down the goal of $5,000 into daily targets. Focus on high-return activities like freelancing, selling products, or offering services. Freelancing is a fast track to income. Offer in-demand services like web design, content writing, or graphic design. Sell valuable digital products like ebooks or courses. Look for high-ticket products that provide higher returns. Your personal network can be a goldmine. Offer services like babysitting or house cleaning, and look for referrals. Start a simple online business like dropshipping or affiliate marketing. Use Shopify or Instagram to sell products quickly. Create flash sales or group offers to generate quick cash. Set countdowns and exclusive deals to encourage faster purchases. Start setting up passive income streams. Engage in affiliate marketing or sell digital products for future earnings. Consistency and smart time management are key. Track your progress daily to ensure you're on track to hit your $5,000 goal.